Hello, little explorers. Are you ready to go on an awesome journey through space? Today, we're going to learn all about our amazing home, planet Earth, and its super cool neighborhood, the solar system.
Awesome! Our spaceship is all fueled up and ready for liftoff. So buckle up and let's blast off on our mission to explore the cosmos together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! First stop on our big adventure, the giant glowing star right in the middle of everything. Let's go say a big hello to the sun. Whoa, look at that. The sun is basically a giant ball of super hot gas. And you know what? It's the most important star for us because it gives us all the light and warmth we need to live. All the planets, yep, even our Earth, travel around the sun in a special path called an orbit. Okay, next up, it is time to meet the rest of the family. Get ready for a grand tour of all 8 planets in our solar system. This is going to be fun. Here they are, all lined up and ready to meet you. First up is tiny little Mercury, zipping right next to the sun. Then we have Venus, which is super bright and seriously hot. And number 3, that's us, our home, Earth, the only place we know that's just bursting with life. Right next door is Mars, famous for being called the red planet. And then, look at the size of Jupiter. It's the giant of the group, so big all the other planets could fit inside it. Wow! After Jupiter, we see Saturn, with its beautiful icy rings. So cool. Then there's chilly Uranus, who's a little silly because it spins on its side. And way out at the end is Neptune, the farthest, windiest, and coldest planet of all. What an incredible team! Whew, that's a lot of planets to remember, right? Don't worry, I've got a secret trick for you. Just remember this silly sentence. My very energetic mother just served us noodles. See? The first letter of each word is the same as the first letter of each planet, starting from the sun. Pretty neat, huh? Okay, that was an amazing tour. Time to pilot our spaceship back home for a special look at our favorite planet in the whole wide universe, Earth. So what is it that makes our home just so perfect for us? Well, for starters, it's called the blue planet because look, it's covered in tons and tons of water. Plus, it has the 3 most important things for life: fresh air for us to breathe, clean water to drink, and solid land to live on. It's the perfect recipe. Did you know our planet is always dancing? Yep, it's doing 2 amazing dances at the same time. First, it rotates, which just means it spins around like a top. That spinning is what gives us day and night. And while it's spinning, it's also revolving. That's its super long journey all the way around the sun. That trip takes 1 whole year, and it's what gives us all the seasons. All right, let's zoom out from Earth just a little bit. It's time to meet our planet's best friend in space and check out some of the other cool things floating around in our cosmic neighborhood. Everybody say hello to the moon. The moon is Earth's natural satellite. That's just a fancy way of saying it follows us around wherever we go. But here's a secret. The moon doesn't actually make its own light. Nope, it's more like a giant, beautiful mirror in space. That pretty glow you see at night, that's just the moon reflecting sunlight right back at us. And believe it or not, our solar system is filled with even more amazing stuff. You've got asteroids. Those are big, rocky objects that also orbit the sun. And there are comets, which are like giant space snowballs that get these awesome brave tails. And of course, there are billions and billions of other stars out there, just like our sun. And all of it, us, the planets, the asteroids, all of it is inside our home galaxy, the amazing Milky Way. All right, space explorers, our journey is almost done. It is time for our mission debrief. So let's talk about the most important thing we learned today. What makes our home planet so special? And speaking of our special home, here is a super cool fact for you. You see the sunshine outside? Well, that light has to travel a really long way from the sun to get to us. And that trip takes exactly 8 minutes. How wild is that? So, when you think about it, out of all the planets we visited today, Earth is the only one that has everything just right. It has the perfect temperature, not too hot and not too cold. It has the right kind of air and lots of water. It's the only home that's made perfectly for us, our families, our pets, and all the animals and plants we love. You know, because our planet is so special, we all have a very important job. We need to be planet protectors. And it's actually super easy to help.
We can plant trees, which helps keep our air clean. We can save water, so there's always enough for everyone. And we can help keep our planet beautiful just by making sure we put our trash where it belongs. And hey, if you ever need a yummy reason to remember to protect our planet, just remember it's the only one we know of with chocolate. That's a pretty good reason, don't you think?
Well, our space journey might be ending, but your mission as a planet protector is just getting started. So I want you to think about this. How will you help protect our amazing home? Every little thing you do helps. Thanks so much for exploring with me today. Bye-bye.